Hey, what's up everyone, this is Dan Pages, and today I'm going to show you how to install Binance app on your iPhone. So if you guys know, Binance is a platform for trading cryptocurrencies, and there's not an official app in the App Store to go on your phone yet. So if you probably go to the App Store and you search at Binance, you find nothing about this app, you find nothing about this platform here. I'm going to show you how to install the app on your phone. It's very simple and easy. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to Safari, and I'll have the link in the description. I have the link for the app in the description, so you just go and click on it, and please just copy and open it in Safari. I recommend opening the link in Safari because it works better than using Google Chrome or something. So you just go and paste the app in here like that, and hit go. So now it's gonna bring you to this page, and on the bottom here, actually on the bottom here, you want to click download there. So and hit download iOS app. So iOS app is like this one right here. You want to click that, and don't click anything else, just hold on, and you're gonna see this little pop-up thingy. So you want to hit install, and you want to wait a little bit, and then press the home button, and you can see it's installing. So it's gonna take a while. So as you can see, it's finished. There's the app right here. When you try to open it, it won't let you open it. You're gonna see this little error. You want to hit cancel, and you want to go to your settings, and from your settings you want to go to general here. From general, you want to scroll down to find device management, and from device management you want to find Hunan Shito, this one right here. You want to find that and click it and hit trust. You want to trust it, and then that's it. Now you go home and you try to open the app. Boom, that's it. It opens up perfectly, and it's very quick. So it works very well as the website itself. It's just that it's fast. As you can see, it's here. It's very fast. If you want to sign in, you just go to account and sign in if you have an account. So as you can see, it's just very quick response. It has all the platform and everything here, all the currencies, as you can see, on the same thing as their platform on the desktop. So guys, that's how you install Binance on your phone. Very simple and easy. Link is in the description. Go get it and download it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Come back and see more videos. Please subscribe, and peace.
Yeah.